the finds that was key for change in organizations that have used is to ensure that there is people working in organization that is disabled, or if not, someone committed and working in this area in the organization, and also a budget allocated for such type of work is key for being able to progress.
In terms of disabled artists and disabled artist-led work, I think preparation is key and communication is key. So doing detailed site visits is very useful, either live or you can do them remotely. So I use WhatsApp video, simple as that.
We have to give voice to people who are working in arts and have a disability, so we can speak for ourselves. I think this would be the first thing to understand, and not to be afraid to talk, to ask, and then we can create communication between us, and the lake of knowledge can go down and increase the opportunities and to fill the spaces.
Main ambition of the company is to present exciting and high quality dance performances to as many people as possible, to change perception about what inclusion and disability and diversity can be.
This year we have a special focus on dance inclusive from our country and also with artists from UK. Always you have a part of this festival dedicated all kinds of inclusive performances.
I think it's really important to consider accessibility and inclusivity, especially when we're working in outdoor arts, because you're putting work in the public space, and the public space belongs to everybody. But without realizing, we're sometimes putting up barriers that wouldn't otherwise exist. So I think we need to be even more aware of our responsibility when we're putting work in the outdoor space to make it even more inclusive.
The ideal situation, the sharing of the work that we are doing can be much more spread in terms of the country and as well abroad.